Yoga meditation is a powerful practice that can transform your mind, body, and soul. However, choosing the right meditation technique can be overwhelming. In this video, we will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect yoga meditation technique for you. There are various types of yoga meditation techniques, such as breathing exercises, mantra meditation, movement meditation, and visualization. Understanding the benefits and drawbacks of each technique is crucial in choosing the right one. Identify your personal goals before selecting a yoga meditation technique. What do you want to achieve through meditation? Stress relief, inner peace, spiritual growth, mental clarity, or physical health benefits? Your personal objectives will help you determine which technique is best suited for you. Everyone has a unique learning style. Some people learn best through visualization, while others prefer to listen to guided meditations. Determine your learning style and seek out a technique that aligns with it to achieve the best results. Explore a variety of yoga meditation techniques to discover which one resonates with you the most. Attend a class or workshop, watch online instructional videos, or read books and articles to immerse yourself in the different techniques. In conclusion, selecting the perfect yoga meditation technique is a personal choice that requires self-reflection, goal setting, and exploration. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can choose a technique that aligns with your objectives and learning style, and ultimately experience the profound benefits of yoga meditation.